It's 9 a.m. We are off to the Big Apple, NYC. Tom! We're a little bit late and the boat's not gonna wait, so. Yay! We're on the bus. Get to the boat.
We're in the bus.
We're on the bus.
We're in the bus.
Found a Starbucks, so you gotta break away and bust a move.
Follow the Green Mermaid.
She holds the answer to all of your problems. Locus of control. It's to represent your physical being and how you interact with the world around you and kind of the bubble that you're in, and how sometimes what you know is distorted because of the limitations of your locus of control.
Nice.
That's why the glass is a little bit cattywampus. There he is.
You bought serious.
What did you buy?
Photos.
Photos. All those stairs.
I loved it.
This is where Danielle used to live when she lived in the city. Way up there, through these doors. I remember when we came to visit her one time, we couldn't find it. We passed it maybe 3 times because we're like, it just says space for rental, and she's right in between the 2 places for rent. And we're like, we would have never found that. She had to come down and find us. Really?
Sit in there?
Look at, there's a table.
Yeah, we'll sit in here.
Oh my gosh.
Interesting looking salsa.
Yeah, I don't.
Not the.
Yeah, what is that? Is that like a black bean?
I don't know.
I don't even know what it tastes like.
Mm.
I have no idea. None.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what
Is that weird? But it's not. I mean,
No, it's not bad. It's really good.
What's going on there?
Are we gonna make it is the question.
It's time to run.
I think we have about 2 minutes to get on the ferry.
I know in New York they're gonna leave exactly on
They
time.
will.
if not
They're
even
not
earlier.
waiting for us, so we're gonna have to. Tom's moving and grooving. We made it.
I said you were actually good today.
Going home. Signing off. Good day.
We have a video to do.
We do. We're on our way to Sandy Hook Beach to film Malibu. Woohoo! Our 2017 family video.
This is great. I'm so excited.
All right, if we need to get pumped, we need to turn it up.
Such a
more.
surprise.
don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Everyone look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm standing spotlight. Not yet.
We won't get the nails. I told Danielle that we get to do her favorite thing with the walking and the shot and dancing, and she is so on this. You fell down.
Everything is finished.
All right, I'm leaving you. Bye. See you later. Bye.
Don't mess up, Kayla.
She already stopped.
Why? Kayla!
Oh, I thought it was a practice.
But we were like doing it.
All right, we're on our way. We're on our way to Duncan, and then we're heading to Tom's.
Woohoo.
And we're having a family dinner at Tom's house.
Yes.
We're gonna help set the table and make some dinner.
And then we're gonna have a mystery game night.
A mystery game night. Their meeting
They
here
came
today
back.
is a bonus.
Yes.
So
Super.
nobody is complaining.
A super double bonus.
Yeah.
No!
You're in the blood. It's in the blood, whether you like it or not.
We're the platers.
I placed the spoons in the wrong spot.
Alright, I gotta go.
Everyone else is helping and you're over there eating.
Can I check one more time?
Oh, you're cheating.
Nicole texted me. She said, making a quick pit stop for drink because Aaron is a pain in the ass. Right here.
In the bucket. In the bucket.
Phone in the basket, look and notice.
Thank you. I'll get a bigger one when I go home. Do you feel left out?
You got it. You got it. You got it. There we go. Look at that.
Spread. So how you guys
Oh yeah, then they put up once you catch one on your line, then everybody has to pull their line.
It's all different flavors. You want sausage?
It was great. It wasn't
Stop taking selfies with it.
We have the greatest family in the whole wide world.
Mommy's gonna sit here.
Okay.
Mama, you're gonna sit here? Here, please. Give a link. Where? I'm gonna have people over too, and I'll get some more bowls.
Let the pasta come out.
When you send Tom to get desserts. But that is my hand. Like,
Your hand.
I have ever seen in my entire life. This is an average sized cake
Right.
to, you know,
There you go.
the pie. There, Costco. Whole Foods Costco.
Brew of investigation. I knew it. I knew they had to be beads. We have, there's portrait, like so you know the people.
Ooh, there's characters.
Yeah.
How to identify male.
These are business cards. Oh, the city newspaper, you get one every time. Oh, look at this. It's like an invitation to the Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras party. Is there like a set place to start?
Okay, so this is the, so he's secretly sleeping at the museum at night?
Yeah.
And it says he was at the museum after hours on the night that the raven abducted his victim. Pirate Museum? Oh, Pirate? Wait, the map. Oh, the map. Oh, good one, map. Pirate Museum.